Hello, this is Ra. This is an example of how to use the Wizard, Hydronic Wizard in HVAC solution to create a hydronic project in New Zealand. We'll just call this a test project, New Zealand. Next, this is how you select the ASHRAE weather data. It's more important obviously for forced air systems, but we'll set it anyway. So there's New Zealand, specific location, we'll pick Auckland Airport. There's the information there, and now we have a worksheet. If I double left click on the worksheet, this is how we can change it from English to metrics, units of measure, push. Okay, so now we go to the Hydronic Wizard, which is on this toolbar. We'll say reverse return system, heating and cooling schematic with a changeover loop. Just have two, actually let's have 8 loops, 6 loads on each loop. We'll make it a chilled beam system using FTF chilled beams. Let's make this 50,000 and 25,000 watts. We'll say a boiler, yes. Let's use an air-cooled chiller. We'll leave the default pump information as is. Right to the expansion tank, yes. Air separator, and we're done. And the software creates a complete piping schematic. So here's the mechanical room, the boiler over, the changeover loop, air-cooled chiller, expansion tank, pumps, air separator, and the chill beams. So we have each loop. Scroll down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 zones, 8 floors, 8 loops. If I hit Control A and right click, we can show all the pipe sizes. So there's all the pipe sizes are now on the piping. So we have 125 millimeter pipes here, 50 millimeter pipes to the chill beams. If I click on the boiler, these are all the properties and engineering information related to that boiler. Expansion tank. Expansion tank is looking into the system. If I go to summary, these are all the components that the expansion tank sees, all the default volumes, and all the piping. We can go into any section of pipe. Let's go into this section of pipe. Double left click, and let's say that's 50 meters. So this will change the pump head, the flows, all the information. Hundreds of calculations will happen when I hit OK. And the expansion tank has resized its capacity, so it's 385 with the 50 meters. I'm going to take off that section. It's back to 332. Pump head as well. Watch the pump information here. Go back, and we add the 50 meters. So you can see the KPA went from 19.3, again watch right here, to 35.8. If I go back to the expansion tank, there's that section of pipe that I just added. And then in the background, the software is creating these reports. Bill of materials, schedules, detailed engineering report, control schedules, electrical schedules. Let me just show you the DXF schematic and the bill of materials. I push OK. I to save project to generate the reports. Push save, and now it's generated a DXF schematic and a bill of materials. Go back to file. Here's the bill of materials, an Excel spreadsheet. It's open on my other screen. There it is. So there's all the information related to that system. And the DXF schematic. This is all the layers, lines, and blocks. It's a native file. Come open on my other screen. Let's bring it over so you can see it. And there is the DXF schematic of that system. As you can see, the software is very powerful and can save an incredible amount of time. Preliminary design, exploring options, VE upgrade, primary design. Again, it's 2D schematic, but it has the ability to move data and information into AutoCAD, as you can see with this DXF file. Thank you very much.